Yo, what's going on, guys? So currently I had a commenter on one of my videos that had suggested a way to toggle the content drawer on and off, because when you do control space, it does open your content drawer, but like, let's say if I'm going to drag an item in, right? Notice how it automatically disappeared. So this really drew my attention. It's something I have not considered before, but why isn't there a toggle option in Unreal? We really need to push for that. It could just be right here in the settings window, just says toggle on and off, basically. It'd be a simple check mark for the game engine developers to put in. But so I researched this and I was unable to find any way to currently implement this without just making a custom, full-blown engine plugin, which is way above the scope of my programming abilities for sure. So what I was able to find, though, was a small workaround for now that if you really need this feature and it's going to save you a ton of time, it's pretty easy to set up. I'll show you how it works right now. So if you do control space, you have your regular content drawer, and then obviously when you click away, it automatically goes away. Now this is the default behavior, and that is the only setting. There's no other way to lock it in place. Now, yes, you can dock it in your layout, and then it'll stay there. But now, like the viewer had mentioned on a comment, it's kind of inconvenient. Like, yeah, you can drag and drop stuff in the way you want now, but then you got to go over here and like close out of it, and that's just a lot of extra steps. So I've automated the process. I've made a custom keyboard shortcut, which is Control-Shift-A. Currently, it's not necessarily a good key binding at all, but it's working for now. So Control-Shift-A. You'll notice when I click it, did you see how fast that was? You know I can't move my mouse that fast. I'm not that good of an FPS shooter, come on. So it automatically went down and clicked on the content drawer, and then it came up, hit dock and layout, and then clicked off of it. So 3 mouse clicks immediately, and then there's your content drawer. And then we're not done. If I hit that same command, Control-Shift-A again, it automatically closed it. Let's just try it one more time. Control-Shift, that was the wrong key. That was Control-Shift-S, my bad. Control-Shift-A, boom, content drawer open. Control-Shift-A, content drawer gone. So this is actually really useful. I will admit that it's not perfect. This is just kind of a janky workaround, but it could have its uses. Like, here's my use case I'm thinking of. So we're in this level and we want to drop actors in. So by default, we open our content drawer with control space. Yeah, I can drag one in, but like, let's say I'm trying to drag a bunch of objects in. Oh, it's gone. Like, that's annoying. Maybe I didn't want that. Now again, like without a checkbox feature to just enable the toggle mode, you're out of luck. So instead, now I can use my custom keyboard shortcut to do Control-Shift-A, get my content drawer open immediately, and then I can start placing objects in. Notice how it's staying there. It's not gone anywhere. And now, this is my favorite part, is that, yes, you could do that by default, but now, very quickly, with no extra time wasted, I want to see a full screen preview, basically, of what I'm looking at, right? So now, I could actually just hit Control-Shift-A, boom, have my full window open again. So it's that easy just to switch between Control-Shift-A, the drawer's out, Control-Shift-A, it's gone. So you can do this. If you're interested in me going through all the details on how to set this up, do let me know, and I'll make a future video a little bit diving in how to set this up. It's pretty quick. It would probably take you 5 to 10 minutes to implement. But yeah, if you're interested in learning more, just let me know, and I'll talk about it more on a future video.